Welcome to Sunmar's YouTube channel, where we talk about all things composting toilet. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now let's get to today's video. Hi, it's Ray from Sunmar, your global composting experts and leaders in composting toilets for over 40 years. Even though they compost, our toilets are designed to be used just like a regular toilet, with regular toilet paper and zero chemicals. They can go pretty much anywhere. House on the lake, we have a toilet for you. Chalet on the mountain, we have a toilet for you. Garages, barns, bunkies, farms, resorts, even in a basement, you name it, we have a toilet for you. So they can go anywhere and you can get one anywhere, from a major retailer near you or online at your favorite web store. We have a lineup of composting toilets to fit your specific needs, all of which are certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, or NSF, the Standard 41. Today, I'm beside the Centrex 1000, a composting toilet system designed to give you the efficiency of a composting toilet and the familiarity of a conventional flush toilet. It is a two-part system that uses water, which means you can have multiple ultra-low flush toilets connected to one single Centrex 1000. The Centrex 1000 is an electric composter, which means it can handle even greater volumes of use. It is an ideal addition for when you can have a composter placed away from the toilet. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it is true. All right, I'm just about done, so I'm almost out of time. Please stay tuned to more Sunmar videos. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe to get notified when a new video drops. See you next time.